This is a demonstration of using a number expander or a numeral expander. We use number expanders to demonstrate the language around the place value system. It's also a great way to show the grouping and regrouping of numbers. With this numeral expander, we're working up to the numbers of hundreds. You can see that there's ones, tens and hundreds. So this one would be used for a Year 3 class. We write our number, for instance, 472. And we can ask the students, what number is that? We are then able to confirm that it is 4 hundreds, 7 tens and 2 ones. So we can say that we have 4 hundreds, 7 tens and 2 ones. We're also able to have a look at the regrouping strategies too and sort of explain to the children that we can also say that this is 47 tens and 2 ones, or it is 472 ones. These numeral expanders can be used for an infinite number of places. For instance, here's one for thousands or hundreds of thousands. So again, we could write a number 69,472. So if students were able to, or who were looking at the way that we were to talk about that, we would be able to say that it's 69,472. We don't actually say the 2 ones, but it's a really good way to actually look at the way that we talk about our numbers. We can then regroup that and be able to say to the students, this is what we mean by regrouping. We could actually say that there is 694 hundreds and 7 tens and 2 ones. Or we could say that there's 6,947 tens and 2 ones. Or there is 69,472 ones. Again, this can be taken up in higher grades and broken down into bigger numbers when the children are familiar with the concept of hundreds, etc. So we're able to say that we have this number here. So the students, and a number like this can be quite scary for students, but if we use our number expander, we can say that there's 467,929,513. We don't actually say the ones on the end there, but it's important for them to know that it's 513 ones. We can actually take that a little bit further and say that it's 467,929 thousands, or 467,929,513 ones. So you can see that the numeral expander is an excellent way of showing how we talk about the numbers in our place value system and showing how we can group and regroup our numbers.